Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to discuss about field parameters in Power BI. Now let's imagine that we have a data set and we want we generally use a slicer for that for filtering the data. Okay. So whenever we in the slicer we can select a particular column, but in that the column values will be shown as a slicer. What if I say that we can use multiple columns? We can create a dynamic slicer and create a multiple columns in a slicer in Power BI. Seems like difficult, but it's not that difficult. Today we are going to see how exactly we can create that dynamic slicer and which will help you in preparing a powerful and appropriate dashboard. So let's get started. So first of all, we will import our retail data. For this, I have used the retail data basically. So I'll just go an Excel workbook and I will click and I will just load the online retail data. You can use any data for this. This is just a simple way for creating a dynamic slicer. So yeah, we have the online data. Let's go to the data view. We have here invoice number, stock code, description, quantity, invoice date, unit price, customer ID, and country column. This much column we have. So now how to create a dynamic slicer? So first we will go to the modeling view, and here we have a new option named the new parameter. Okay, so in the new parameter we'll click and we'll use the fields option. So we'll click on it. So we have, so for now we will change the name as the name the change of dynamic slicer as new slicer. Okay, so in new slicer, which all columns we need, we'll add that column. Suppose I need a country column, then the description, and now the stock code. These three columns I need to be added in a single slicer. Okay, so I'll just use and just click on the create button. Okay, so when you click on this create button, it will automatically create a new table, a new table. Okay, which will have the slicer, and yeah, as you can see it's already been uh, appropriated into a single slicer. Okay, so now we will change the format and change the slicer into tile format, so it will be easily view for whenever we add in a visualization part. Okay, so I've added into the tile format, and now we will just click on the, now we'll add a visualization. We'll use the column chart, stack column chart, and for that, first of all, for the stack column chart we will be using the x-axis y-axis as the stock unit price, and in the x-axis we will be adding the new slicer that we have created. Okay, we'll just drag and drop that, and as you can see its basis sort based on the by default by country in ascending order, not showing properly. So now I just want to filter on the basis of country. So you click on the country, and as you can see the star unit price of the graph unit price has been filtered by the on the country basis. Now let's say description. So it's been dynamically created and dynamically been filtered by the description basis. Same goes with the stock code. So as you can see, we have created a dynamic slicer in Power BI for the multiple columns in a single slicer. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updating videos. I'll be adding new concepts regarding this updates in the Power BI and regarding the Power BI, how the visualizations can be improved. So till then, happy learning.